Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today we would like to present our MAT183 group assignment under the application of differentiation, and we choose Rolle's theorem and mean value as the subtopic. We are from group 3 and this is our group members. We would explain about the steps and problem statement respectively.
Hi, I am SYARAFANA. Introduction of differentiation. What is differentiation? Differentiation is a method to find the derivative of a function. Differentiation is also a process of finding the rate of change. If x is a variable and y is the another variable, the rate of change of x with respect to y is given by dy over dx. The example of differentiation to find the rate of change is velocity with respect to time. Introduction of Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem are one of the applications of differentiation. Rolle's theorem f(x) is a function that satisfies all of these steps. f(x) is continuous on the closed interval ab. f(x) is differentiable on the open interval ab. fa is equal to fb. After that, there is a number such that f prime c equal to 0 and a is less than c, c is less than b. For the conclusion, f(x) has a critical point in AB. For the mean value, suppose f(x) is a function that satisfies of this. f(x) is continuous on the closed interval AB and f(x) is differentiable on the open interval AB. After that, there is number c such that f prime c equal to fb minus fa over b minus a, and a is less than c, c is less than b.
Hi, my name is SAFIA binti MOHAMAD RAHMAT. So before we start to problem statement, I will show you step to solve the solution for Rolle theorem first. So what you need to do is first, you need to find FA and FB by substitute the interval AB in the given equation of fx to decide if it is FA equal FB. Then, find the function of unknown c or fc and differentiate it to determine the f prime c. Third, the differentiation f prime c was substituted into the given equation of f prime c equal to 0. Lastly, simplify and find the value of c. Next is step to solve the solution for mean value theorem. So first step is find the value of FA and FB by substituting the interval value of AB into equation fx that had been given in question. Second step, differentiate the function of unknown c or fc to determine the f prime c. Third step, substitute all the indeed value and function into the given equation such that f prime c equal fb minus fa over b minus a. Lastly, simplify the solution and find the value c.
Problem statement. The Rolle's theorem states that if fx is differentiable on AB, continuous on AB, and fa is equal to fb, then there is at least one point c in b, ab way, where f prime c is equal to 0. If fx equal to x power of 2 minus 6x plus 5, find the value of c in the interval of 1, 5 that satisfies the above theorem. Problem solution. For the first step, we have to find f1 and f5. As we know, the interval is 1 and 5, so the first interval, which is 1, is equal to a and 5 is b. So we just have to substitute the interval into the function. The function is x squared minus 6x plus 5. So for the first interval, which is 1, we have to substitute. So 1 squared minus 6 multiplied by 1 plus 5 is equal to 0. And the second interval is 5 squared minus 6 multiplied by 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. And the answer is both of the interval is 0, so the f3 is equivalent with f5. For the second step, we have to find f prime x. The function is x squared minus 6x plus 5, so we have to differentiate. So x squared become 2x and negative 6x become negative 6. For the last step, we just have to find f prime c. As we know from the second step, f prime s is equal to 2x minus 6, so we just have to change from variable x into variable c. So that f prime c equal to 0, f prime c equal to 2c minus 6, 2c minus 6 is equal to 0, and bring the negative 6 here to the other side, so it becomes 2c equal to 6. C equal to 6 divided by 2, so the answer of C is 3. As we know, the 3 should be between the interval of 1 and 5. So if we get the answer between the interval, the answer should be right. That's all.
Hi, I'm Azra and I would present the mean value theorem. So, the question for mean value theorem is, the mean value theorem for differentiation states that if fx is continuous on closed interval ab and differentiable on the open interval ab, then there is a number c in ab such that, this is the formula, f prime c equal to fb minus fa over b minus a. So the question is, find the value of c that satisfies the theorem for the function of fx equal to x plus 1 over x on the interval 1 over 2, 2. So, how to solve this? Okay, first, to find the value of fa and fb, we need to substitute the interval into the equation. So here the fa equal to 1 over 2, and then substitute it over here, and we use calculator to count it, and then we got 3. On the other hand, fb, the b value is 2, and then substitute here, and then we got f2 equal to 3 over 2. So here is the crucial part where we need to differentiate it, but in this question we got a fraction type of question, so here we need to use question rules, which is equal to v u prime minus u v prime over v squared. So over here, upper here, we got the differentiable already, and then just substitute it into the equation given, and here we substitute it, and after count it, we got the answer, which is negative 1 over x squared. Okay, so this is the final part, which we need to substitute c in there. So we got here is f prime c, and as I have talked about the formula before, and then we just need to substitute in all the points given, all the values given into the equation, and that we got c equal to 1.
So now we will jump to the conclusion. From the first problem statement, we get to determine the given function fx is differentiable on open interval, continuous on closed interval, and the fa is equal to fb. The Rolle theorem can be applied. Therefore, the number of c is supposed exists as critical point where c is greater than a and less than b. Thus, the value c in the interval 1, 5 that satisfies the Rolle theorem is 3. From the second problem statement, when the function of fx is continuous on the closed interval and fx is differentiable on the open interval, the mean theorem can be applied and number c supposed exists. By applying the mean value theorem for differentiable, the value c in the interval 1 over 2 and 2 that satisfy the above theorem is 1, where c is greater than a and less than b. So that's it.
That's all. Thank you for watching.